Oh, look at that little thing. Look at him. Look at that cute little baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah, get into it. Oh, they're so adorable. Look at that little thing. It's trying to dig in more. See his head sticking out. Don't want to close him completely because I don't want him to suffocate and I don't want him to poop on me. Just a little window right here. Don't stick your butt. Don't rub your butt on me. Okay. Just a second. Let me get him on my thumb where he belongs. Just a second. Look at him. He's so adorable. On my thumb. Oh, look at that little baby. He is clinging to me. So, yeah, he's naked almost everywhere. So he's just a little baby. Look at that. His name's Chirp. He flops his one. He's kind of scared because this is his first time out of his, third time out of his nest. So let me just put down the phone and put him back up there. It won't take long. Oh my gosh. Oh! Look at him. That's his nest. And we're about to put him back. He doesn't know that. He wants to come back. So yeah, guys, this is a short video. That was just Chirp. Yeah. It was just to show you the spring that we're in. So yeah. Bye guys. Bye guys.